What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. And guys, today I ordered these random shirts from Meesho because they looked awesome on the photos which are there on the website. But are they really good? Will they fit me properly? Is the material good? We will find all of that out in this video. It is going to be a very interesting video guys, so see that you like the video now only. And if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So without any further ado, let's get the video started. So guys, I was browsing on Meesho and I came across these awesome looking shirts. I ordered them right away so that I can help you guys take the right decision. Because guys, on the photo everything looks good, but in real everything is different. You guys know that already. So we'll see if you should buy the shirts or no in this video. All the shirts are under a budget of 380 rupees and most of the shirts are under 270 rupees guys. So we'll see what is the difference. So the first shirt that I have with me today is this white shirt. As you guys can see, when you wear this shirt it looks good. Now guys, my shoulders are 18.5 inches and my chest width is 42 inches. I ordered a slightly bigger size. I ordered the large size and it fits me perfectly guys. I'm telling you this because I even ordered the medium size guys and it did not fit me. I will show you further in this video guys, so don't worry. So first let's check out the material of this shirt guys. As you guys can see from close, the tag is saying comraded. The stitch on the collar was slightly off and it is kind of a shiny material. It has a very good stretch in it. As you guys can see, it is very stretchy. And guys, this shirt material is like a jersey material guys. Material with which they make those sports jerseys which sportsmen wear while playing. It is that type of material guys. Now the shirt doesn't have a front pocket. As you guys can see, the buttons are regular black buttons. They don't feel premium. And the stitch on the collar was slightly off, as you guys can see. Now guys, the price of this shirt on Meesho is 268 rupees, but obviously when you go to buy there you can get a discount. So if you want to buy this shirt, then I will put a link of it in the description below. Go there and check it out guys. Now everything that I show to you in this video guys, I will put a link of all those things in the description below. You can go there and definitely check out all the shirts. Now guys, I will pair this shirt with a grey formal pant along with black belt and black formal shoes. Now when I wear this shirt, it looks great. You guys can see that here. Even the fit is nice of this shirt. So for me, the size is the large size and large size fits me best when it comes to this type of shirts. So if you guys like this shirt, then do let me know in the comment section below. So that was shirt number 1. Moving on to shirt number 2. And shirt number 2 also is a similar type of shirt, but only the color is different. This is yellow color. Now on the internet, this yellow color was looking awesome guys. But when I ordered it, I did not like it. The color looks different kind of. I'll show the material to you from close by. As you guys can see, the material is the same. It is the jersey material, but guys, this material on this color doesn't look that good. It doesn't have the front pocket. Buttons are the same as well, but the stitch on the collar is okay on this shirt. Do let me know your thoughts about this material. Can it be used for shirts? Do share your thoughts. So there you have it guys. The price of this shirt on Meesho is 254 rupees. But just to check guys, I ordered a medium size and the medium size did not fit me. Now the size chart of this shirt is slightly close on medium and large. You get slightly confused on what to order, so I ordered both the sizes just to check what fits me properly. So medium size did not fit me because the sleeves of the shirt were short and it looked funny guys. So I paired this shirt with again the same grey formal pant and formal black shoes and black belt, and this is how it looked guys. Although the shirt looks good here on the camera, I did not like the fit of the shirt. Even the color I did not like, and the material also, when it comes to a different color, doesn't feel that good guys. Feels slightly underrated guys. So do let me know your thoughts about this shirt in the comment section below. So this was shirt number 2. Again guys, I ordered a similar type of shirt, but the shirt looks different. I will show that to you now. So that will be shirt number 3. So guys, this is shirt number 3. Again, the material is exactly the same. There is absolutely no difference in the material, only the look is different. As you guys can see, it has a different print on it. Again, it doesn't have that front pocket. The buttons are the same, the stitching quality is the same, the material quality is the same. This shirt also I ordered medium size, but guys, you guys know that medium size, it did not fit me well. So if you have long hands like me, or if your height is 5.10 inches, then go for large size, because otherwise the shirt is not going to fit you. The price of this shirt on Meesho is 260 rupees, but obviously you can get it for slightly less when there is a sale going on. Now I will pair this shirt again with the grey pant and formal black shoes and black belt, and this is how it looks. It looks okay on the camera guys, but I did not like the fit of this shirt and I did not like how it looked as well. And the most important thing is the material of the shirt is what I did not like guys. On the white shirt, the material kind of blends itself, but on the other shirts it doesn't look that good. So this was shirt number 3. So let's move on to shirt number 4. Now guys, the shirt number 4, there was a big problem with the order, and the problem was I ordered the XL size and they sent me the small size. Can you believe it? But guys, when I looked at this shirt, the shirt looked amazing, the material of the shirt looked amazing. If it was the correct size guys, I would have definitely kept this shirt. I will show the material to you closely, how it looks. The color is awesome guys, and just have a look. They sent me the small size, and look at the material of this shirt guys. It has a nice self design on it. The material look premium. I really like the material. The buttons also look premium, as you guys can see. This shirt also doesn't have the front pocket, and this brand tag is there on the shirt saying Anklar. Stitches are nice and even, and the main thing is guys, the material is very good and a breathable material. So there you have it guys. I like the material. I could not even wear this shirt to show you guys because it is too small guys. I can't even wear it. I tried wearing it, but I could not guys. It is too small. But again, the material is very good, and I am sure that the fit will also be good. As you guys can see, definitely you can check your size and see if you are getting your size and order your size, and hopefully they will send you the right size guys. So I will have to send this shirt back. It was a nice shirt, but unfortunately it doesn't fit me and they have sent me the wrong size. Now all the shirts that I have shown you in this video, I will put a link of them in the description below. You can go there and definitely check them out by yourself, and if you like any of them, then you can go ahead and buy one. So guys, I'm hoping that this video was useful to you. If you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Raison for Trendy signing out until we meet again.